Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So today I'm going to be showing you this website in which you can design anything you want. So you can design a YouTube thumbnail, YouTube profile picture, anything along those lines. So open your browser, and as you can see, just type canva.com, and you're gonna find this home screen. So as you can see, all this just a bunch of things. Don't care about that, and just get straight to the point. So for example, I'm gonna go here on this place in which it can show all the types of things you can design on this website. So you can design Instagram post, video, presentation, post, or anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on maybe make a YouTube thumbnail, for example. So let's go here. I'm just going to close this very quickly since we're not going to need it. And it's always going to lead you to the same layout. So if you're going to pick something else besides YouTube thumbnail, it's always going to get you to the same thumbnail. Let me just check if my microphone. Okay. All right, so we're in now, and it's always going to look like this. So for example, we can already get um, a lot of designs divided into categories. So we got food YouTube thumbnails. For example, pick this one, and it already comes. So it's like layers basically. You can look all this as layers. You can change it anywhere. You can delete each part of the text. As you can see, I'm going to delete this part of the text. For example, put 8 simple vegan breakfast recipes. Maybe healthy. Maybe we could type instead of vegan, we could type healthy. Something like this. And not just that, you can change the position, how big, how small. Each thing is you can delete things. So, for example, you don't need any of this. So, if you're looking to make a thumbnail, this is the way to go. It's free, it's easy. No need for we can sign up, but with a Google, with your already existing Google account, so no need for a big giant hassle. So, yeah, this is how to design anything, especially YouTube thumbnails. That's what I recommend. So, thank you for watching.